seconds are there in 1 year?
58,200 minutes. That's
right! There's 12 of them! January 2nd, February 2nd, etc.
Boom!
You fucking asshole! I know for a fact you've never watched a Sonic movie until fucking hours ago!
That's right! I'm a convict.
You're just a pirate! You're a pirate! Generic ass orange jumpsuit!
Yeah, I know, it's the only thing I have that you haven't seen yet.
Boom! Come on! Riddle this! My friends! Oh, if I could ask you this riddle, how many seconds are there in 1 year?
58,200 minutes. That's
right! There's 12 of them! January 2nd, February 2nd, etc.
Boom!
Riddle me this! There are 30 cows in a field and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
What?
I hate this.
That's correct!
16!
10! There are 30 cows in a field and 28 chickens. How many didn't? 10 of them! Huzzah! Oh, this one! Why did Tigger go to the bathroom?
Why?
He wanted to find his friend Pooh. Okay, how about this one? How can you leave a room with 2 legs and return with 6 legs?
With a chair on your butt.
You bring back a chair!
You idiot!
I outriddled the
Yeah, you didn't fool any of us.
What is more useful when it's broken? That's right! An egg! Last one! If a rooster laid a brown egg and a white egg, what kind of chicks would hatch? That's right! Roosters don't lay eggs! Huzzah!
You're dropping.
Here we go. Open it wide.
Alright, no!
Bring it in, boys.
Does that even look like a heart?
Pour it into his mouth. Oh! That's the trailer right there, boy.